Hi, in this video today I'm going to show you how you can easily refill an Epson EcoTank. This model here is an ET-2850. Now to begin with, we have to lift up this whole lid here, so not just this bit but the whole section here, and do it until it clicks into place like so. Now this is where we're going to be filling up. You can see that we have the reservoirs here, so all we have to do is get this section here and lift it up, and then we have our colours. We've got our black, yellow, magenta and cyan. Now luckily when you look inside here you can't actually put them in the wrong slot because they each have a key around here that are different than each other. So you need to get the colour that you're going to be filling up. In this instance we're going to be filling up with magenta. So once you cut open the sealable bag, you will then take out your ink and you will unscrew the lid counterclockwise. Don't shake it or do anything with the bottle, just hold it like this. Now lift up the magenta because that's the colour we want to fill up, and you can see here it is shaped like this. We need to put this in that way here, so not like that but like that. It doesn't matter which way round it goes, so it can go that way or that way. And we're just going to turn it upside down. You can see no ink's coming out because we have the seal here. Turn it upside down, put it in here and just make sure it's fully down. Already now you'll be able to hear and see the ink going down. And bit by bit you will see it filling up down here. Now after around about a minute you will see that the ink container is now empty, and we can simply gently put it up like so, put it the right way around and put the lid back on, making sure you're not throwing it around the place and splashing it. Then we need to put down this little cover until it clicks into place, like so, and close this, and then we can just gently close the lid of the printer, and that is it now filled up. Thanks for watching.